Okay. Okay. So everything's perfect.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay. So yes. Hello.
बोलो. Yeah, बोलो. Speak.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Same to you.
Yes.
And
So
how
how
are you?
are you?
I'm fine. Thanks for asking. And what about you?
I'm also great. Fantastic.
Oh,
Yes. Thank
so
you.
please, we are meeting the first time. So introduce yourself, please.
Yes. Yes. So I'm Anisha. I'm from Maharashtra. Currently stay in Mumbai. I'm a mother of two kids and nothing. I'm housewife. You can say.
Oh,
And yes, simultaneously I'm a YouTuber. So there I'm practicing and making video and uploading there. And talk about my hobbies. So I like play piano. I like ride cycle and I
yeah.
like play with kids. Yes, that is thing. This is about me.
So now my turn.
Yes, yes, yeah.
My name is Geeta. I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri. Do you know Fatehpur
No,
Sikri?
where it is? I don't know.
Agra.
Agra. Okay, okay. Uh-huh.
Sikri. And
Okay.
I blessed with two kids, and I am only 12th pass. And
Mm-hmm.
nowadays I'm housewife like you.
Okay, okay. That's
I'm
great. That's
on YouTube channel
great.
also.
Okay, okay.
So
What is your hobby?
my hobby is only something new catch.
Okay,
And I
okay.
new and I take knowledge and give knowledge. I like this.
Okay, that's great. Yes.
My free time I'm only reading some book Hindi and English, and sometime I teach my kids. So that's all.
Mm-hmm. So how old are your child?
I am only two child. I have two
How old
child.
are they?
One girl is 8 years ago, 8 years old, and my son is 4 years old.
Okay, okay,
Boy,
okay. And when you created your channel, YouTube channel?
it was, 1 year ago.
1 year or 1 month?
1 year. I
Oh,
upload daily use sentence video on my
okay,
YouTube. But now
okay,
I upload conversation video. That's why.
okay. Means your channel now 1 year's completed. You created your channel.
But you
Okay,
I am a housewife, so that's why I have not time for myself. I
okay.
this time, so I'm not complete my subscriber and watch time.
Okay, so how many subscriber are there?
I have 469.
Okay, okay. Hmm. Okay, no problem. Yeah. So, so are you uploading video every day or when you get time?
Upload earlierly I upload video regularly, but this time I'm not able to.
Okay, okay, no problem. Yeah.
Yeah, this time winter season, so days are very short. That's
Mm-hmm.
why
Yes, 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 correct.
minimal. So lot of work I have. That's
Mm-hmm. Okay. So, how many people in your house?
8 member.
8 members.
Me.
Including you, 8 members.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's great. So now you are speaking English. Okay, and last question, then you ask me.
Okay.
Now you are speaking English, okay, and you are uploading before content those are daily sentences also, and you are 10 pass. So, sorry, 12 pass, 12 pass. Yeah, so how you learn this language means you are in college or school or at home. How you learn this language?
Home.
At home. Means you have an environment.
No, no environment, but I want to environment for my kid. If
Okay.
I speak English very well, then my kids are speaking very well also.
So you learn English yourself.
Yes, I'm reading some books and watch YouTube video, English content. That's all.
Okay. But how you did practice your speaking practice? How you did?
Only I upload myself. I speak practice myself.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, that's good.
Told you no. I read books, then I repeat speaking, and sometime I write.
Mm-hmm.
Only
Means you did your practice yourself, speaking practice, you did yourself.
yes,
Correct. Okay,
right.
okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. You can ask what your question.
I have no any question. Do you
Okay.
ask?
Okay, I thought you have a question, sir. No problem, no problem. So tell me what is important. You are uploading before uploading. You started uploading that daily sentence videos. So I think you know little bit English. How is English? Which kind of you want? We have to do practice English. So please tell me first what is first step if I'm beginner and I want to learn this language and I don't know anything about English. So what is first step I should have to do? Please suggest me.
All if you are beginners, that you watch and you learn only grammar part first, sentence
Mm-hmm.
past, definite, perfect, continuous. Same this sentence you complete it, then you watch small sentences video.
Mm-hmm.
Speak
Okay.
if beginners. Then you
Mm-hmm.
are beginners level so fast. Then
Mm-hmm.
you watch some speaking video, spoken video. Then
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. And what is second step?
but if you second step, uh, I watch. I will try myself. Second, I watch some sentence video, long sentence video, and
Mm-hmm.
I write in night my daily routine in
Mm-hmm.
present tense and past tense. Sometime I future tense. That's
And how you learn? How you are learning vocabulary?
vocabulary. I have some books vocabulary related. That's I learn five yeah three word meaning, and that I use make sentences. I use.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. So when you started speaking front of others, when you started?
Uh, that time I'm not able to other person, but as you know, Skype app is very good for learning English. That I started like you
Yeah, but
uh,
when?
at home.
No, no. When you started, when you started speaking front of others, when?
Only 4 days.
4 days. Okay, okay. Means recently you joined that group, Skype group.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. Okay, nice, nice. Great. So now you are I think wearing sari and you are wearing sweater also. So there is now cold,
Yeah,
very much cold.
yeah. This time cold, very cold, freezing type.
Okay, because 144 now minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
This is cold day and not sunny day.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Not
yes.
not can look sun this time.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. So, mm-hmm. So why you decided you want to make conversation video? Why you decide?
Because you know I told you I have not a lot of time for myself for my practice speaking. So I make video. That time I make video. I have lot of time,
Hmm.
but this time I have no time. So I upload only make conversation video.
Okay, okay. So one day, how many video are you making?
Only one video.
Only one video. Okay, okay. And how you spend your time means your home chores, your child, and you are now YouTube also you are uploading video. So how you spend their time?
Only I spend my time speaking, learning speaking. Only 2 hours
2 hours. Okay, okay. You are practicing 2 hours.
only. Other
Okay,
time house chores old.
okay, okay. So how you handle your child and your home chores then?
My child, my girl is very understanding. She is
Standing.
understanding me. Mama is practice this time, so I'm don't 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 difficulty.
Okay. So
Don't
your husband. Okay. Yeah, and if you talk to every day with others this language and your children they are roaming in around you are around there, so then definitely they also listen you what you are speaking. Then after that they also learn there because child memory very sharp. They if they listen every day any new thing so they catch early and they after few days no need to you have to teach them you
my
yeah.
with cats. I sometimes I use no. Then wo no, Mama no. I know when
Yes, yes,
what this meaning no. Then
yes.
and oh no.
Okay, okay. Yeah, so
They will
definitely they will learn actually really if they listen you every day, so they definitely they will learn after few days this language. Then after that, no need to you have to teach them actually.
this
Yeah.
time English is very important for
Yes.
ourselves.
Yes,
If
yes, yes.
you will English, learn English very well, you speak English very well, then you will travel all day
Mm-hmm. Okay.
easily.
So, mm, so what about your other members in your the family member, your husband, and who's another person? Your mother-in-law, father-in-law. Who's there? With?
In-law, father-in-law, and my grandmother-in-law.
Oh,
Brother, I have brother and my husband, my two kids, and including me.
okay. So they know English.
Yeah, they know.
They they speak English.
Support me.
Hmm?
My husband is support me.
Your husband speaks English.
No, they
No.
know. But
So who
they told me you whatever you want to do what.
So in your house, who speak English?
Only me.
Only you. Okay, okay, okay. That's great. Okay. Okay, means in your home, you are a knowledgeable lady.
Yeah, only
Okay,
me.
that's good. Okay, so now you are speaking. Now you are making video. Now you are talking to others. So how is those feeling?
I feeling very well because while sometime if I speak English only myself, then my grandmother is what are you bumbling? अकेले अकेले बोलने को what are you bumbling?
She
I'm
speaks
saying
English. She speaks English.
no. I speak while I speak. I practice English speaking alone. Then my
Mm.
grandmother is saw me. What are you bumbling?
Okay. Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. Okay. Then tell me how is their culture? How is their weather in your side?
Weather is very coldy.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, freezing type cold.
Okay. So very much cold. So if your child they want to go outside, so how you go there? Do not to go outside?
They only in home watching TV.
Okay, okay. So how month this type of cold in your village? Where your city? I don't know
Only
where.
2 months
2 months.
only. This.
Okay. So then the children they goes to school, so going to school or not?
जाते
Other
हैं.
children. Uh-huh. Yeah, because this type of cold, so then they have to wear sweater, correct? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sweat. They will do.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Then you tell me anything else?
No, nothing. If you
Okay.
any other ask question, then you ask.
No, no, actually, I had one session 1:30, but I forgot actually, and I reply you. Then that person emailed me, so my email there pending. So I want to join there. Okay.
I this is my fourth conversation video. So I take time, yani 4 days ago. So
Hmm.
I forget some word English sentence. If you are a daily conversation video, then you are remember. If you are not regularly, so you are forget.
Yes, yes, definitely. Yeah, absolutely correct. So you joined every day in this group. Everyone people available, so many ladies available. So you can try to join every day, every at least one people, one lady. You try to connect at least one lady. Yeah.
My mother-in-law is not here, so that's why I'm not able to. And after yesterday, my I sick some I headache, so that's why
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
I
okay.
problem nose problem.
Oh, okay.
So nose problem and eye headache.
Yeah, because they're connected, no, nose and ear, so that's why.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Then you try to rest. You try to take care of your eyes and nose. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. And keep
Yes.
your practice also
Okay.
as much as possible. Okay.
Meet again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Okay. Okay.
Nice.
Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.